everyone, welcome back. Ngayon ay gagawa tayo ng throw pillowcase. So, meron tayong throw pillow. Yung ating tela. Yes, ito yung ating tela gagawin ng throw pillowcase. And then, meron tayong pieces dito. Titingnan natin kung mailalagay natin as a decoration or design. At meron tayong zipper. Okay guys, so kunin yung sukat ng ating throw pillow. So, end to end. Ito ay 19. So, ang sukat niya ay 19 guys. And then, on the other side is 20. 19 by 20. Okay? Labasin natin yung ating tela. So, ito yung ating tela. I-fold. Fold by 2. So, ito yung center. And again, fold by 4. Tailor chalk para pang marking. So, marking natin yung center. Okay. By 21. So, 20 by 21 kasi maglalagay tayo ng sewing allowance. Okay, so lagay natin dito ay 20. Diyan sa center. And doon sa kabilang side is again 20. Divitan. This is the other side, and then okay. So, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng allowance kasi nandiyan na sa sukat natin. So guys, ayun na, natabas na natin yung ating tela. Tabas tayo ng straight lang 2 inches. Tabas tayo ng 2 inches. Okay, 1, 2. Ito ay pang design para maging attractive. lagyan natin ng konting design. Okay. Okay guys, done cutting. Bago i-close yung mga side, lagyan muna ng design. So, ang naisip kong design ay straight line lang, 3. Ganyan. 3 dyan sa gitna. So, yan lang yung naisip kong design kasi kunti lang yung telang pang design. So, ganyan. So, i-join ko na lang kasi kulang. So, kaya yung naisip ko, 3 lines sa gitna. Lagyan ko muna siya ng marking para pantay-pantay yung distance. Okay. So, ito ay 20. Ang half niya ay 10. Laging kukunin yung center guys para even yung mga distance. Ayan. Okay. So, siguro ang distance niya ay 1.5 by 1.5. 1.5. So, gano'n din dito. Then, guhit ulit para may guide sa pagtahi. Okay. So, yan na guys yung 3 line na ating lalagyan ng decoration. Yan yung ating ginuhit na 3 line. Yan. Para sa decoration. Umpisa na natin itahi yung design. Done 2 line, other 1 line. Let's see the distance. It's 1.5. So here also 1.5. Let's put a mark on 1.5 so that even distance. Pare-pareho ang distance. All in 1.5. And let's put the other 1 line for our decoration. So guys, this is the marking and we put it over 1/4. Okay. we finish the design, decoration, 3 line, and now we'll proceed on putting a seat, attaching seat. Other side, guys. Guys, we already attached the seat too, and we'll try to close it. Close. Okay, now we have the seat. I'll close the side so that it will be finished. We close this side seam here. Closing the side seam, guys, so that it will be finished. Our throw pillowcase. Done our beautiful throw pillowcase. Guys, this is the throw pillowcase we finished, and this is the throw pillow. So let's put it in. Let's try. Okay, and close it. The 3 line is only the very simple design we can make from scrap cloth. So hope you like this video, guys, and if you do, give me a thumbs up and comment down below, and see you in my next video, guys. Bye everyone, lots of love.